Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on MEXC mobile application via P2P. For that, first of all, open your MEXC app and then log in into your account. Over here, you will see the more options. So simply tap on more and search for P2P. Now, once you are able to find P2P, you need to simply tap on it and then you will be landed on this P2P page where by default buy will be selected, but since you want to sell, you need to tap on the sell tab and then it will show you all of the merchants that you can select. You can sell your USDT to them. So here you need to select any of the merchants that is giving you the best prices, that has a lot of orders. So tap on the sell USDT option right next to their profile, enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell them, select your payment method and wait for the merchant to actually give you the amount. Once you have the amount in your selected payment method, you need to just simply verify that you have received your money, and then you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to successfully place this order and sell your crypto on MEXC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.